Those look like some llamas. Hello, llama. So we're here checking out the Queen's Farm pumpkin patch, and they got a lot of pumpkins, and they're selling pumpkins like different sizes would have different price, and they have some hay set up. So if you can see at the back there, there's some hay set up, and they have pumpkins surrounding. You can go and take some pictures, which is pretty nice.
Stalk talk.
Okay.
So right after. Hey guys, come on in.
Hello. So this is everyone grabbing a seat for the stock talk. This is our maze master.
What's up?
Hey, what's up?
Come on in. Oh, you got a big pumpkin. So just I'm frowning.
So we're here. Say cheese.
Hi, cheese.
How you guys like the?
We just started. Wait.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah.
No, wait, read it. Wait, we can't let people who doesn't have a map lead us though.
It's okay. We just go in. Let's go.
You go in front.
Okay, purple flag, have you located mailbox number 3?
Purple flag.
We're not purple.
We're not purple flag.
Awesome, there you go.
So that's the game master, and they're up in a
What happened? No, green is out.
yeah, they're up in the box, giving you instructions. Oh, so this is number 3.
Doing good. Dude. Look, very fine. Look up here. Camera. Oh. Nice.
So do you have any like strategies for like anyone else in the maze right now trying to make their way back to Victory Bridge? Pay attention to the cars. Well, thank you so much and congrats.
How you guys feel about the corn maze?
Oh, that was very good. Excited. Fun. Nice.
Yeah.
Fun.
Yeah, it's a corn maze. You gotta get your own map to find your way in and out.
Over there, Trump golf course.
Yeah, but over there is the golf course.
Oh, there is a line. Hello. Okay, there comes the monorail. So this is us in the monorail. There's like multiple seating, and we're taking the bottom.
UCS. We have scientists and eco-guards working in the field and zookeepers working right here at home to protect animals all over the world. I will point out animals as we approach them, but I'll need your help. Scientists and zookeepers in front of the bush, right in front of his pool here.
Eating something.
The tiger will gorge itself on a fresh kill. Please sit down in the back, guys.
Notice how the trunk has sort of a fat bit at the very end and then a thin bit at the very top.
Skunks, weasels, and raccoons both happen to eat bamboo. And you can see more red pandas here at the Bronx Zoo. You can visit our Himalayan.
So this is the Headless Horseman Bridge. It says described by Irving in the Legend of Sleepy Hollow. Formerly spanned this stream at this spot. So it looks like this is a Halloween tradition. I guess people come and walk the grounds of Sleepy Hollow. So we're here going to Sleepy Hollow Street Fair, and it looks like up ahead they block off the road, so it looks like this is one of the starting points.
Oh, really? Yeah, you're right.
Yeah?
Right over there. Oh my god.
Yeah.
We got so lucky.
Yeah, so let's go see. Yeah.
Approaching the walkway over the Hudson. Everyone's on it already. Looks fun.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but
So it's a little chilly, but the sun's out, and it feels great.
Yep. And then the bridge is like a mile long, so not too bad. And there's an Amtrak station right there. If anyone needs public transportation.
Amtrak station.
I know the Hudson line gets here to Grand Central.
Hudson line?
Yeah. From Grand Central or from the Bronx.
Okay. And if we were to swap this camera, we'd see way ahead there is a freight train. So we're here at the Walkway West, and it looks like there's some food trucks.
Popcorn, that's it.
Oh, there's a map.
There's popcorn and coffee.
Oh,
I was saying, so we're here. So we parked here,
uh-huh.
and this is like the you know, a little village or whatever. You get food, hopefully. I don't know.
Oh, so the village on
You
the
can
other
walk all
side.
the way here, but I don't honestly. I'd rather walk back to the car and get food.
Okay. So you're here. There was a village there. Then you can take the High Line back over. And on the other side, there's a lot more stuff. And we're parked probably there. Right in the middle there. So there is a glass elevator like halfway down the bridge, or no, probably more to the other side of the river, on the other side of the river, and it's open from 9 to 5, so it'll take you down to the river walkway. So that's the elevator without the elevator, and then the elevator would come up. Yeah.
Glass elevator. It's mediocre.
It's glass elevator. Oh, we just missed it. Oh, let's back up. So it looks like you got a view of the Hudson walkway. So at the bottom of the elevator, there is like seating, and there's a rest area, and then all the way ahead, I believe there's a mid Hudson museum or something. Bless you. Bless you. Uh-oh.
Dominican food and a Jamaican ginger beer.